Hi everyone. In this demo, I'll show you how UiPath Autopilot for Everyone can become a smart assistant for any team. As you would expect, we interact with Autopilot using natural language. When it's connected to selected internal resources, Autopilot can answer specific questions, perform tasks, and support decision making, all grounded in your organization's knowledge. It can even launch automations. Let's see it in action. We are currently inside UiPath Assistant, which serves as Autopilot user interface. In this demo, we'll be interacting with our HR assistant, which we called CyberOla, in honor of our hardworking colleague, Ola. The assistant helps to navigate internal procedures and get answers instantly because now every employee can ask questions at the same time in their own chat window. Let's start with one of the featured prompts. They help the user to kick off the conversation, improve the experience, and ensure better quality answers. So the first question is, what are the benefits for employees on a B2B contract? The assistant analyzes our request, then fetches a grounded answer from trusted sources, and finally responds in a clear and structured way. Key information get references, and we can make sure that we get facts and not made up information, commonly known as hallucinations. Now let's try context awareness and ask, what if I'm on a contract of employment, where we also mean vacation policy but don't state it directly? As we see, the assistant also checks available sources and it remembers the context of our conversation. I don't need to repeat the whole question. Let's open a new chat and do another one. This time, we'll ask a question about bonuses for trainers. This prompt takes in two parameters from the user, number of days and location. Let's say my training took 2 days and it was in London. As expected, Assistant analyzes the request, checks the sources, and replies with a proper amount. There is no function call under the hood. Answer was generated purely based on bonus policy document and two arguments we provided. Talking about functions, let's try something more advanced. As mentioned before, Autopilot can trigger automations. We can ask for it directly, but let's start by finding out if I can get reimbursed for glasses. As previously, official resource is referenced, and I get detailed instructions and requirements. Notice the extra bit. Assistant already serves me an entry point to the automation that will generate a required form in PDF format. We expand a short data entry dialog and provide all the necessary information. Clicking on Run triggers the actual automation deployed on virtual machine. Once done, I'm informed where to find my file and get follow-up instructions what to do with it. Let's navigate to Storage Bucket and view our form. The document contains information we provided to the assistant. It's ready to be signed and sent to real Ola. Autopilot can support other organization areas, not just HR. We can pre-configure their starting prompts, knowledge sources, or instructions separately and have dedicated assistants for a variety of teams and tasks. For example, instantly recalling product specs for sales, acting as a quick reference during customer service calls, reduce repetitive tickets in IT support, and many, many more. So, in this short demo, we've seen chats referring to knowledge sources, context retention, and running automation directly from a chat. That was UiPath Autopilot for Everyone, which can turn passive knowledge into active help. Reach out to us if you want to learn more, and thanks for watching.